Thinking about sharing or using the Mystro Driver app to boost your rideshare hustle? Let's break down what drivers are really saying, no fluff. Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. Mystro is a third-party app designed to help Uber and Lyft drivers manage ride requests more efficiently. Basically, auto-switching between platforms to maximize earnings and minimize downtime. Sounds great in theory, but how does it actually perform? On the Google Play Store, Mystro has a 3-star rating with mixed reviews. Some drivers say it's a helpful tool when it works, making multitasking easier during busy hours. But others report glitches, crashes, and limited compatibility with updated ride apps. Over on Reddit, a lot of drivers are saying the app hasn't kept up with recent platform changes and that support is slow or non existent. Some say it used to be good, but not so much now. Metro might have been a game changer in the past, but today it feels a little outdated. If you're curious, maybe try the trial first. Otherwise, it might not be worth the monthly fee in 2025. Tried Mistro yourself? Let us know how it went in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest up reviews made for gig workers like you.